Yo, YouTube, what's good? 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 Man, I didn't get a chance to come at y'all earlier, man. I was going hard doing some of everything, you know what I'm saying, since early this morning, man. I had to take me a nap today. That's how hard I was going earlier. But I got some things done. Trying to figure out, first of all, you know, we were talking door panels and stuff like that, how we want to do that. Did I get out there and cut anything? No, I didn't get a chance to get out there and cut anything. I was waiting on a buddy of mine to get off work. Y'all saw him on the last video, you know what I'm saying? He helping me seal the deal on this top. Did we get some work done on that? Well, matter of fact, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we got done on that. Oh, yeah. We got her in there. We got her in there. Is she in there or is she in there? She in there?
She in it.
You sure she in there?
She in it, baby. Guess what? You got the reveals right there. Peel the tape back.
Look at how my boy laying on my glass. Look, you see that? You see that? Good no day.
Look at those. Look at those. Straight outline, baby. All the way down. Yes, sir. All right.
Good?
Good. I'm gonna bring this up right here. I want to bring this up right here to match the back.
I teach him everything he know, y'all.
You might think you teach me everything I know. I learned a lot of shit now.
Ask him who painted his bike. Ask him who painted his truck.
You might done that then, but guess what? I do it now.
I got him out here working with me because, you know what I'm saying, I was bored. So I had to get somebody, you know what I'm saying. I ain't want to just get anybody. I had to get somebody who knew what they were doing. So I said, you know what? I said, let me see if C remember everything I had teach him. So, you know, he come through here one day. He was like, boy, what you doing? And you know what I'm saying? I said, man, I'm about to put this glass in. He was like, boy, you know, you need some help now. Let me quit, man. Hey, look at here. I ain't gonna mess with my boy. I ain't gonna mess with my boy, man. But we got her in there, man. We got her in there, got her in there, man. So y'all see it. Late night working again tonight, man. We got one little corner over there. We're just gonna take that little one, and I know you can see it from. Let me zoom in.
Right there, baby.
Right there.
Right there, baby.
Everything else in there. We're gonna peel this tape up in a minute, and we gonna be good. That rest of that, smoothing that right there out. You know what I'm saying? That's a done deal.
It's a done deal.
That's a done deal right there. So y'all stay tuned, man. We already blow this thing off. Y'all know my little method. I'm gonna get me a nice little bucket or something. We gonna lay that mud down, and y'all know I like that. He gonna get mad at me now, cause you know I like to take my bucket and I like to just take a little cloth or something and make sure I wipe that dust out of them crevices so that thing will stick. But y'all stay tuned though. Now, with that being said, did I get any work done on the door panels? As I said, I did not get a chance to do any cutting on the door panels. Am I frustrated? Just a little. But I kind of got something mocked up right here. You know what I'm saying? On how I want to do the door panels. So everything that you see right here is what we're going to be doing. And as you can see, it's basically going to be 3 pieces or 2 pieces, my bad. It's going to be 2 pieces that basically stand out on the door panels. As you can see, and maybe if I turn the camera around and put it down on my desk, y'all might be understood. Matter of fact, hold on. Okay, so this is what we got right here. What we will be doing is this piece right here that you see will be 1 piece of 3/4, and these are the cuts that I will or plan to make in it. Right here, it would divide right there, because this whole piece that comes around here is going to get cut out of the 3/4. So if you look, this whole section right here in the middle, yeah, that whole section with the little dotted lines around it in the middle right there is going to be, it's going to go all the way down to my actual panel board. It might go all the way down to my panel board. 9 times out of 10, it will. I'm going to go back with the original door handles as for now. That's still not definite because I might make my own door handles. I know I got to make my own top to go on it right here. But that's just a little mock-up right there. You can see right there. This right here is basically your driver's side door because you can see your lock right there. So thinking about cutting some speakers into the back of this right here. But I don't want them to stand out. So I end up having to cut some metal. Knowing how far I can go in. Because, of course, you know that glass has to come down. So with that being said, you know, we may have to put a little bit of a lift or take the router and route out and back. I don't know. We'll see when we get to that part right there. On the other hand, something else I kind of been, you know what I'm saying, messing around with as far as getting this stuff together and in the car is bam, raw. So, you know, I can't just build this car without putting my favorite saying in it. So we're going to figure out where we want to put that, whether we want to put that in the rear deck or whether we want to put that in the front. I'm thinking about putting it in the rear deck, you know what I'm saying, and making it stand out one way or the other. Now, this particular piece right here is not the piece that's going in the rear deck. I can tell you that now. Well, then again, I ain't going to say that because I'm thinking about getting me another piece of, and this right here is actually plexi. So, I think it's plexi. But anyway, got my little tool here. I don't think I showed y'all this tool right here, man. Shout out. Another Hyper Tough tool. Or did I? Another Hyper Tough tool right here, man. Picked this up from Walmart. Actually went back, got the tips, because these tips didn't come with it. It came with this case. And everything you see in the green right here is for etching. Well, these for cutting. That's a whole different set. These are for etching. So if you guys trying to etch glass and all this other good stuff, then, man, look at here. Hyper Tough. You know what I'm saying? $24 for it. Can't beat it. Got my LED strip cut out because I was sitting here messing around with it. And I had a couple of pieces of cardboard or something I had. And I was actually trying to kind of just mount it down there to see if it'll illuminate. And it worked. So I'm happy with that. Now, my biggest thing is actually making my piece for the back of the car. I love the way how thin this right here is. So 9 times out of 10, that's why I was saying, because I wanted this to go on my desk. But with this being so thin, I don't want a big bulky piece in the back of the car. So we probably going to use this right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to clean up a lot of the stuff and make sure everything is shaded in properly. Even though, you know what I'm saying, ain't nobody got no business crawling in your back seat to look at what's going on. If they can see this right here light up, then it is what it is, man. I ain't trying to be rude or nothing like that. But, yeah, that's how that go. But, you know, on the other hand, what do we have next? Hold on a second. Tomorrow, of course, is my day to run around with one of my WCWs, my sister, of course, to take her to her doctor's appointments, do all that other good stuff. Another thing that I do have coming up, because this kind of like an update video, because I ain't really like did nothing. And like Jay right here, she's stealing. What you stealing? What you stealing? Her nail broke. So she come right here and take. You better be careful with that glue. That glue strong now. You do know that, right? You used that glue the other day? It was strong, wasn't it? It was strong. Yeah, all right, play around with it if you want. But again, back to what we were saying. Jay got some more orders for the well, I think you got something a little different. This is bigger than t-shirt press, right?
Yeah,
so
she want hoodies.
Okay, so she want hoodies. So we're gonna get the Cricut machine up and running. And that video ain't even on this channel. That video on Taylor Lifestyle channel. So, of course, for me to break that down, man, we started the family business, got the t-shirts. I pressed my own t-shirts up. So, if y'all ain't got that Dub Bill t-shirt, you know what I'm saying, that I've posted after a couple of my videos, man, make sure y'all put in the order. Right now, if y'all want the t-shirt right now, man, get in my comments, man. Cash App me $15. And in y'all size, I get that to y'all ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Support your boy, man. I keep that content rolling. You know what I'm saying? But the bill, Jay, look over there and see if my shirt. I got a shirt over there. I should have like 2 shirts over there. So that, you know what I'm saying? I know you dealing with your nail issues right now. But she gonna see if I got a bill. The bill. And the reason why I call it the bill, man, is because we dedicating everything to me starting my own or another channel, and also all of the stuff that we got going through, or that we are going through with the box Chevy. Hold it up a little higher so they can see it. So there you go, the bill. Your boy Rich Everything has his own brand for t-shirts. And as you can see, it says Raw Racing Team. Also, as well, if y'all want those Raw t-shirts, you know what I'm saying, we got the Raw t-shirts on deck too, man. Just support your boy, man. I mean, it ain't but $15. You know what I'm saying? I'll still get the shirt out to you, man. If you're going to buy it for you, if you're going to buy it for your kid or whoever, you know what I'm saying? Y'all on the channel, y'all watching. Just know that it always goes to a good cause. Whether everything I'm doing, like y'all see me billing it, you know what I'm saying, this cost. So everything I'm doing, man, it costs change. That's why I ain't really trying to hit nobody over the head anyway, man. So for a lot of my supporters, fans, family, whatever, man, and I know a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, get at me like, I can send y'all, so I can send y'all that merch. You feel what I'm saying? Because I really do want y'all to have that merch regardless. And y'all probably say, man, what in the world is Rich looking for? When I talked to y'all last time, I told y'all I had a list of people. I'm going to find that list, man. I don't know what I did with my list, but my list is someplace in this office with people that I watch, follow, you know what I'm saying, support. And I support a lot of y'all that y'all probably don't even know it, you know what I'm saying? I know I be telling y'all to get inside the comments. I don't jump inside the comments like that, but, you know, I do push like. I am subscribed. I do have y'all on push notifications. So when something come up, as a matter of fact, you know what I'm saying, where my remote at? And usually I don't do this right here because YouTube be trying to like catch you on this right here. But you see it. My boy right there, J Malcolm. You know what I'm saying? 2004 rides. Put up a video 8 hours ago, so you know your boy on it. I just got in the house, so what I usually do in the morning time, I'm doing at night right now, man. But I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. I'm just getting in. From just doing a little bit of late labor on the car. This more than likely will be going down tomorrow with all of this cutting. So I'm going to try to get that video for y'all. I'm going to get 2 out there working. He probably can't hear me. He probably got them headsets on from that game, but I'm going to get 2 out there working, man. So we're going to go ahead and get these door panels. If you know I already got this one mocked up, you know I'm fitting to sit down and I got to mock up the back door. One thing you got to have is you got to have the thing. You can't, if I see one of y'all with a door panel and y'all back door panels don't look like y'all front door panels or got something going on, man, you feel what I'm saying? But because some of y'all be, man, to each his own, man. I'm just messing around with y'all, but hey, do what you feel like doing, man. Be creative. You know what I'm saying? That'll be different. It is what it is, man. This your boy Rich Everything. Just giving y'all a little update. Put that right there back on my desk right quick. Just giving y'all a little update on what's been going on or what I had going on today. You know what I'm saying? Every day you ain't gonna get a chance to jump out there and do what it is. Right here behind me, I'm going the wrong way. Right there behind me, you see those two things or three things? That is fabric. So that is fabric ready to go on the seats and everything. I had to look over to make sure because my carpet is someplace. Oh, my carpet is over there behind my chair. My office is junky, so I'm not going to show y'all that. I got a bunch of car parts in here. Like right now, man, I got to get this stuff out of here. Like, that's why I'm like getting to it, man. I'm getting to it. I'm getting to it. That's all I can say. I'm getting to it, man. I'm working. So I'm double timing. Like I say, tomorrow, if the Lord's will, when I come back, I'm going to start on the door panels. We're going to lay down that mixture of the Rondo, and we're going to see how that works out for us because we super close. As you can see from the video I slide down in here earlier. But y'all know what to do, man. I ain't going to hold y'all too long tonight, man. Your boy Rich Everything. Rich_everything with an A. Follow me on Instagram, man, because a lot of the times I do get to post on Instagram quicker than YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I don't like just posting anything on YouTube, but I will go to Instagram. I will put something up on my story or on my feed so that my followers can know what's going on, what's coming up. Some info I didn't put in. We hit the machine shop today. I ain't even get to record that, but that's a whole nother ball game right there, man. I'm gonna wait and tell y'all about the machine shop issue. New motor, new bill. Of course, not mine, my brother. So if he want to share that, then it is what it is. What is it going in? We're gonna play around with Punisher, but y'all know how we do it. We don't just build one motor. We have to have a backup motor because we don't do that whole talking and then waiting, you know what I'm saying, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 months back. No, we like to just grab it and go. So, you know, letting the cat out the bag. I ain't telling y'all. I have not told y'all what he's trying to build, but yeah, new motor definitely for the Punisher. We're gonna run the Punisher, see what it do, play with it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And just go from there, man. But yeah, man, follow your boy Rich Everything, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit push notifications on that thing, man. I'm about to get in here, get right, take me a shower. Jada smell like she cooked something nice round up. Jada, what you cook? Ooh, Jada said she cooked some pork chop and red lobster biscuit. Y'all know I'm out.